Welcome to another unboxing. This time it's an XLR switcher from Little Bear. Got it from eBay. So let's see what do they give. This box. So Doukmall is the shop where I bought it from. Very good support. They answer your questions properly. Yeah. So this is MC103. So let us see what we have in here. Okay, so we have some paperwork. So it's an instruction manual. It's in English and German. And then we have the switcher, and then nothing else. Yeah. So let's check out the XLR switcher. The switch is loose. Man. We'll need to open it and check it if there is some real damage going on inside. No. Seems like a lemon, but we'll have to try. Okay, alright. It has one input and 3 outputs. Yep. Plan to use it with my stacks in balanced mode. There we go. Okay, thank you for watching.